Let's take a closer look at the Dewalt 20 volt max cordless drill and impact driver set. So this comes with a pretty cool bag, heavy duty, and it comes with 2 batteries and a charger. So of course both batteries are interchangeable between the drill and the impact. The cordless drill features 2-speed transmission, one that goes from 0 to 450 and 0 to 1500 RPM. So if you just have some light screw work that needs to be done and you don't want to strip out screws and you got to be real careful, the lower speed helps you get the job done without overdoing it. And if you need to really get a real long screw into a piece of wood, that 1500 RPM will give you the momentum and drive needed. Both the impact and cordless drill are super compact sizes but pack a big punch, enabling you to get into tight spaces, which if you're doing DIY jobs around the house, it's not just all dealing with flat walls. Sometimes you got to get underneath around certain things. Having a compact size and still retaining the power is a key, which makes this an ideal set for your house or even your business. Of course, the handles are designed to give you comfort and control and a good feel that you could work with a glove or with your bare hand. So compact, meaning 5.55 inch front to back, lightweight at 2.8 pounds, really gives you the mobility and stamina you need to, if you have to put that drill above your head for a certain amount of time to drill in, it's less fatigue on you. Gone are the days where the drills are coming in at 4 to 5, 6 pounds. And of course the convenience of the LED lights, which give you 20-second delay to give you visibility in tight spaces, and it just helps you get the job done better and easier. So with a 3-year limited warranty and the heavy-duty build of Dewalt tools, you're guaranteed to have a product that's going to last you a long time while getting many jobs done professionally. This is a must-have for your shop or your house.